Hello and welcome back. I am Nina Simone, and our 12-day series is starting to wind down. Today is day 11, and we're talking about when control replaces trust. There is a subtle shift that happens for many parents on this prodigal journey. Love slowly turns into monitoring, concern turns into control, and peace quietly slips away. If you feel like you're constantly checking, worrying, or trying to stay one step ahead, this episode is for you. Control rarely looks like controlling the person carrying it. It looks like constant checking, replaying conversations in your mind, trying to manage outcomes, staying mentally on alert. This isn't because you don't trust God. It's because you're afraid of what will happen if you stop holding everything together. Control comes with a price. It keeps your body tense, your mind exhausted, and your spirit restless. It creates the illusion that peace depends on your vigilance. You were never meant to be your child's protector, provider, or savior. That role belongs to God. Control may feel responsible, but trust is what actually brings rest. Trust doesn't mean you stop caring. It means you stop carrying what was never yours to hold. And surrender is not weakness, it is obedience and peace working together. I want to ask you, where are you trying to control what you cannot actually change? And what would it look like for you to release all of it back to God? Let trust replace tension. In this final episode, we'll talk about how to live peace out loud, even when the journey is still unfinished. You don't have to hold everything together. God already is.